Hey Abiding fam! Today I am sharing with you my Traveler's Notebook Insert Volume 1 in My Abiding Journal. My Abiding Journal is my endeavor to have a journal entry for every single day of 2018. That means 365 entries. I've already created videos in which I walk through these journal entries and talk about them and how I created them, so if you're interested in that, be sure to check those ones out. But I also wanted to share a flip through for those that just want a quick peek at what I've created. So that's what this video is, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please be sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.